Bobert's gonna rip stuff out with his truck and his new chain. That's the tree that he wishes to destroy right there. And there's a Bobert. And here he goes. His little adventure.
That?
That one you took out was awesome. That thing's freaking
Nice.
That was Sarah's mom. She's saying thanks for helping. And here he goes. Look at that monster. Look at that. Not a problem. He destroyed it. Oh man. That thing is beast. Look at that monster. And there's his truck, totally unharmed. Not a freaking problem. He's that awesome.